Okay. My name is Delgado. I'm currently enrolled in the Aviation Studies program, the professional pilot option, and I should be graduating in about 2 years. It's a great opportunity. Like, I'm very appreciative of like the funding and like the iPad that I got, because like either way I had to get an iPad anyway. So with the Metallica Scholarship, I don't have to worry about that. I'll also be using those funds to like purchase like necessary school supplies like the aviation headsets. I was considering my options around the way. I first attended a cross-country flight school in Lindenwold, but it was just getting like too expensive out of pocket, so I had to like find other options. And then my girlfriend told me about the program here, so that's when I enrolled about 2 semesters ago. So far, I'm liking it. I started flying this semester, so I was a good amount of hours already, maybe like 7 to 8 hours.